Hi friends, we have awesome equations as a square plus 2a is equal to 80, equation first, and b square plus 4b is equal to 77, equation second, and ab is equal to 56, equation third, right? So we have to find out value of a and b, right? So let's start. A square plus 2a is equal to 80, right? If we add 3 on both the sides, right? So we get a square plus 2a plus 3 is equal to 83, equation first, right? And same way, if we add 6 on both the sides of equation second, we get b square plus 4b plus 6 is equal to 83, equation second, right? We are adding 6 on both the sides. Now we can say equation first is equal to equation second, right? So a square plus 2a plus 3, this part will be equal to this, this part will be equal to this, right? Is equal to b square plus 4b plus 6, right? A square plus 2a, if we break 3h, 1 plus 2 is equal to b square plus 4b plus 6 as 4 plus 2, right? This is the expression of a plus 1 whole square plus 2 is equal to, this is expression of b plus 2 whole square plus 2, right? So this and this get cancel out. A plus 1 whole square is equal to b plus 2 whole square, right? So a plus 1 is equal to b plus 2, or we can say a is equal to b plus 1. Okay, AB is equal to 56 as we have equation third, right? A is equal to this, b plus 1, right, into b is equal to 56. So b square plus b minus 56 is equal to 0, right? So b square plus b as 8b minus 7b minus 56 is equal to 0. Okay, if we take b as common, so b plus 8, and here minus 7 as common, so b plus 8 is equal to 0. So we have factors b plus 8, b minus 7, right? Now we have two cases. B plus 8 is satisfy the equation, right? So we will go with this. B minus 7 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 7, right? So AB is equal to 56 as equation third. So A into 7 is equal to 56. So A will be equal to 8, right? Now we can say AB. A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 7, right? This will satisfy the equations. Okay friends, so we will take these values and ignore these. Okay, thank you.